Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street. Gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you.
Okay, we're removing wall tile and wainscot. After we finish, we'll come in and do a detail cut above the work area so they have a nice sleek pass-back line for the new gypsum board. And it makes a nice clean finish for the guys coming back behind them.
You better put your bag into your place. We will rock you.